feeling the heat from your Xbox Series X, Series S, or any other Xbox console during those marathon gaming sessions? Well, don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, we're leveling up with 9 effective strategies to cool down your Xbox and stop it from turning into a hefty paperweight. So let's get ready to power up your console care. Our opening strategy is as fundamental as it gets. Keep your console clean. Dust is a silent enemy, impeding airflow and inducing overheating. Your secret weapon here is a can of compressed air. Gently blow away the dust from the exhaust vents, intakes and side panels. And here's a pro tip. Clean cloth over the console when it's not in use will keep dust away in the first place. Tip number 2. Take a moment to consider where you're placing your Xbox. A well-ventilated spot is your goal. Perhaps near a home cooling fan for a regular gust of cool air. Hard surfaces like tables or shelves are your best bet, since soft ones like sofas or beds can stifle airflow. And remember, a clutter-free gaming area is an airflow-friendly area. I know it's tough, but taking breaks during your gaming sessions is a must if you want to keep your console cool. Letting your console catch its breath can really help prevent overheating. You might be tempted to get a third-party external cooling system, but I advise caution. These add-ons often don't help and can even make the cooling of your console worse. Keep your Xbox out of direct sunlight. To prevent your Xbox from baking, place it away from those hot rays. Find a spot in the shade or use curtains to create a sun-free gaming haven. You might have heard the suggestion that you should remove the side panel of your Xbox to increase airflow, but I really advise against that. You could void your warranty, depending on what country you live in, and it can make your Xbox more vulnerable to dust and potential damage. So just stick to regular cleaning and proper ventilation to keep your Xbox cool. How you orient your Xbox can significantly impact its cooling. The Xbox Series X, for instance, was designed mainly for vertical orientation. The Xbox One X, Xbox One S, and Xbox 360 can sit either vertically or horizontally, but always use a proper stand if you're using the vertical position. The Xbox One, on the other hand, prefers lying down. Horizontal is the way to go. Over time, the thermal paste on your Xbox's processor can lose its effectiveness, leading to increased heat. So consider having a professional reapply this thermal paste. It's like taking your Xbox for a tune-up. Remember, you can do this yourself, but unless you are very confident in how to change thermal paste, it's better to let somebody else do it. If you've tried all of the above and your Xbox is still running hot, the power supply might be the problem. Overheating can signal a faulty power supply, since as it gets older and becomes less efficient, it dumps more heat in your system. When you reach this stage, it's best to consult a professional who can test the power supply and make sure that it's actually faulty. Of course, this only applies to Xboxes that have internal power supplies. And there you go, some great strategies to help cool down your Xbox and keep those gaming sessions running smoothly. From routine cleanings to thoughtful console placement, these tips will arm you with the knowledge to beat the heat and keep your gaming experience in top shape. Remember, taking good care of your Xbox means uninterrupted gaming fun. See you next time.